Hey, Keith Schaefer here. Welcome to my channel. Hey, this is going to be real short on my part, but I want you to take the next 2 minutes and really focus on what John's going to tell you. I think, if you're out there looking for a way to make money online, this could absolutely be the opportunity you've been looking for, because he is absolutely incredible and he can help you go where you want to go. Talk to you soon.
Hey, this is John Crestani, and I want to invite you to an exclusive video series with me this week, where I'm going to show you exactly how I've built my internet business from scratch to the point where it's making me roughly $5 million per year. In this video series, I'm going to show you not only how I built my business from scratch using free traffic methods, but how you can build your very own internet business and without having to sacrifice the freedom of being wherever in the world you want and waking up and living on your completely own time schedule. This video series is for you if you're looking to learn how to create your very own internet business, but you don't know how to get started. This video series is also for you if you already have a business online, but you're just looking to take it to the next level. Now, if you don't know about my story, basically, I began as an internet marketer back in 2011, and I was trying to make money any way I could. In 2013, I did $100,000. In 2014, I did $500,000. In 2015, I did $1 million. And in 2016, I've done almost $5 million in revenues in my online business. And I've gotten it to the point where I can do anything I want with my life. I can live on my own schedule. I can be where I want to be. And I live life completely on my own terms. It's my mission to help others do the same. I got started in this industry by coming across a mentor, very much like you are coming across a mentor right now. Now at this point, I've had hundreds of successful students get to the point where they're earning six-figure or even seven-figure a month incomes online. Now I invite you to opt in somewhere on this page, subscribe to my video series, and I will send you daily videos showing you how you can also create your very own internet business. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.